Hello everyone and welcome to this pottery tutorial. In this video we're going to make a bowl full of small holes using the slat technique in the simplest way possible. As always, we'll start by preparing our clay for this project. This is another part of our slab building lessons. If you've been following the page, you've probably seen that we're going through all the slab techniques step by step. And if you'd like to see other creations made with this method, make sure to let me know in the comments. Alright, let's start building our piece. First, I begin by rolling out a simple clay slab. Then I choose a suitable mold for my project. In this case, I picked a large bowl. Once the slab is ready, make sure to smooth its surface. As you can see in the video, I'm using a simple metal scraper to clean it up completely. This step is really important because if there are any small air bubbles or tiny holes left in your slab, you can gently fix them with a small tool or a needle. You can also check out the previous videos where I explain this in more detail. After smoothing the slab, cut it to match exactly the size of your mold's opening. It's very important to make sure the edges are the same size as your mold. Otherwise, the slab won't fit properly inside. Once you've cut it, use a piece of fabric underneath, preferably cotton, to lift and carefully place the slab inside the mold. Then continue smoothing it again using the scraper to make sure it's clean and even. When you're done, let the slab rest for about 1 to 2 hours. Once it slightly firms up, what we call the leather hard stage, remove the fabric gently. Then, using a simple tool like a needle, start creating the holes in any pattern you like. Let me share a few important tips with you. When you're cutting out the shapes, make sure to keep enough space between each hole. If the distance between two holes is too small, less than about half a centimeter, that area might become fragile and could easily break. Another important thing is to keep your needle as vertical as possible while cutting. Try to remove the clay straight down, not at an angle. This helps you get much cleaner and more precise holes. As you can see in the video, I'm using this small tool to clean the inside edges of the holes. It helps remove any clay cracks or rough parts and makes the shapes smoother. But don't worry, if you don't have this tool, you can simply use your fingers. It's really easy to do. Once you've finished cutting out all the shapes you want, let your piece rest for about 1 or 2 days, depending on how humid your workspace is. It needs to reach the right leather-hard stage before the next step. After that, it's time for refining. You can simply use a slightly damp sponge and gently smooth out the entire surface, especially around the holes, just like you see in the video. For the final tips, I want to share a few important things with you. First, when you're refining your piece, make sure the sponge you use isn't too wet. If you add too much water or moisture, it can damage your piece, because at this stage, the clay is in its leather-hard condition, and extra water may cause cracks. Also, pay attention to the pressure of your hands while working. Especially if you're using white ceramic clay like I do, it's very delicate and can easily break if you press too hard. When you flip your piece over to clean the bottom again, be very gentle. You can also use a very soft sandpaper to smooth the surface if you like, but personally, I prefer using water instead. If you do decide to use sandpaper, make sure to wear a mask, because the dust it creates can be toxic, and it's better not to breathe it in. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you'd like to support me, please subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and leave a comment with your thoughts below. We'll be back very soon to learn more pottery techniques together.